Hello, my name is Adam from the Sugar Land Branch Library. Today I'm going to show you how to access opposing viewpoints from our electronic databases. You'll first go to the Fort Bend County Library homepage. You'll click on Research, select Databases, click on O for opposing viewpoints, View Resource. You can browse issues. For our example, we can use capital punishment. From left to right, there are 4 columns that are provided for you. You can select viewpoints, pros and cons on a particular issue. You can scroll down. The death penalty is too costly for society. Of course, that's cons on capital punishment. You can click on statistics if you're looking for metrics. If you click on one of the results, you can view bar graphs, maps. Also, educators look for primary sources. Ask students to try to get primary sources. From speeches, congressional testimonies, legal docs, and many more. Magazines. Also, educators ask for paper sources. At one time, they were paper sources, but they've been digitized. And you have the option to send it to your Google Drive, Microsoft Cloud, download as a PDF, or email it to yourself, to your email address. This concludes my presentation on opposing viewpoints. I hope you take advantage of this valuable scholarly database that Fort Bend County Library offers to our public. Thank you.